Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to film another little haul. This is super small. I only have 2 orders, 3 kits total, but I wanted to share these kits with you because I am obsessed with these kits. So let's start with the printable kit that I just recently purchased. This is a kit from BeAYouTiful Planning. So BeAYouTiful Planning, can you see that? It's on Etsy. I have her linked down below if you are curious, but this kit is called Farmer's Market, and I am so obsessed with this kit. It's not even funny. The colors are just so stinking cute. I love all of the full boxes, like especially this one right here that looks like you're shopping at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And then this is the next page with more full boxes. So you've got this like longer one here. And you got this sweet girl here. I love all of her buffalo plaid. It's so cute. And you have like this Thanksgiving table, and you got a bunch of washi, some cute scallop boxes, and some flags. Now, I did not print all of the pages. I just printed what I know I'm going to use. I printed the heart checklist, although there are other options to this page. And then you've got your half boxes, a second weekend banner, and some shorter checklists if that's what you prefer. And then this page here has a bunch of labels and then some scalloped edge labels. I love all the labels. And whatever I don't use, I actually put in the back of my work planner for me to use in that one. So, and then she does give you multiple options for bottom washi. I chose this washi here, which is actually 3 separate washies. So you have a bow-like washi, a scallop washi, and then the buffalo plaid. And that's because I like a skinnier washi. So I might do the buffalo plaid and then this really pretty scalloped one on top of it. And then this washi option came with these kind of coral colored date covers. However, the other washi option comes with like a printed background, which I liked better. So I might print that other page just for the headers because I like, or the date covers, because I liked those other ones better. So you have to see when I use this kit in my planner here coming up. I'm gonna use this in November because I'm doing Halloween in October. So stay tuned for this kit. I am obsessed. That now means I have more Thanksgiving or more fall kits than need be, but I think I have a solution to that. So just stay tuned. This next order here is from Stickerbloom. I will say, okay, so I ordered this on September 7th and it took exactly 1 month for me to get it. So I will say her sales are great. However, be prepared to wait a long time for your stickers because they took a month to get here. And a girl who uses printables as much as I do, like a month is a long time to wait. The freebie is these cute holographic bows, which are great. Is this a sticker too? It is very cute. So I use a lot of bows, so those are cute. I might actually give those to Michaela, I don't know. Okay, so I got 2 kits. This first one that I got, I couldn't say no to, like I went on looking for the other one that I got, but then I saw this one and I was obsessed with the colors. And I've decided I want to decorate my entire office like this for the fall. But this one is the Friendsgiving kit, and I'm gonna give you an up close of these full boxes. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed. I love this one with the planner. I love this one that says thankful for friends, the cornucopia. Like, I just love it all. And it's got gold foiling on it, so there's a little foil shot for you. And it is on premium matte. And then this page is stunning. I'm like obsessed with all these colors. This is the colors of my office, which I'm so in love with. So you have all these icons, and they're circle icons. And then you have these bow headers, you've got some labels and some sidebar items, and you've got a bunch of word stickers. This page here has no foiling on it, but this is all of your half boxes, and you've got some headers here as well to do today in extras. I wonder if we're gonna have more headers than that, because that's definitely not all the headers. There's only 1, 2, 3, 3 to do, 3 today, 3 extras. We'll have to see if there's another sheet of headers. This one here has your bottom washi, which is really pretty. And then you've got washi and some more labels that have some gold foiling. And then you have the scattered foil headers, which maybe that's why you only have a couple of the other options. And then I'm obsessed with these date covers. They're so pretty, like watercolor rainbow. Really stunning. And then we're back to the beginning. So I think that this kit is, I don't know if this is like a mini kit. I don't remember. Oh, this is a ultimate foiled mini kit. Hold on 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Danny's cooking dinner. He had some questions. So that is the ultimate mini foiled kit. This next one, let me just double check, is a foiled mini kit. So this is ultimate, the other is mini. So let's see the difference. This kit is called Pumpkin, and this is the reason I went to her shop, was to find this kit. I'm in love with this freaking kit. It is so dang cute. Like, can you even right now? I love it all. It's just so dang cute. I love the little lashes. Pumpkin season. So cute. It is gold foiled, if you can see. Not a ton of foiling. You've got a bow. The words are foiled there. You've got a little bit of foiling here, a bow, and then you've got a little bit of foiling there. So it's not like overdone. Looks like we have a little bit right there too. So it's not like a ton. And then this page here is not foiled. So that's a big difference between the other kit. This page is foiled, this page is not. And then you've got your half boxes and some headers. And then you've got your bottom washi, which this is foiled. So I don't know, it doesn't seem, there we go. Not catching very well, there we go. And it's really pretty, it's like cherry blossom, so pretty. And then you've got your headers, which are foiled. And then you've got your date covers, which have that cherry blossom again. And I believe that's it. So honestly, what is this missing? Oh, that's what it's missing. I don't have checklists. That is the difference. No, I don't know if I have checklists in the other one either. I do not. Okay, so we're gonna have to use some bow checklists when we use these. I just realized, and I do prefer the box checklist, but I didn't want to pay extra for those. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's the big difference, is that these mini kits don't come with that full box checklist, which, you know, is fine. I have other stickers for it. If you're not into the full box checklist, then you're not even gonna probably notice that that is even missing. Where for me, I really like those. So I noticed that those are missing. So that is it for this itty bitty haul. 3 fall kits that you will see in my planner. I love them. This one screams more fall than this one, even though this has pumpkins everywhere. These colors are definitely more fall than these, but I love them both in this one as well. And that is everything. I'll have these shops linked down below. Check them out for sure. I do have other coupon codes and such down there as well, so make sure you check those out, especially if you're a Printable fan. I've got codes, and for Nikki +3, who's a sweet friend of mine, definitely check that out. And that's it for this itty bitty haul. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. You want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.